every home has its mysteries. For Souso, our sleek, long-haired Tuxedo cat, one particular enigma calls to her daily. The dripping dragon of the Faucet. A single drop, then another. What is this magical liquid, and where does it come from? Souso's golden eyes are fixed, her mind buzzing with feline theories. The investigation must commence. The grand leap. With a graceful bound, she's on the porcelain precipice. A tentative paw stretches out. Splash, a delightful surprise. Oh, the thrill of the chase. Even for water, she tries to catch it. A quick tap here, a nimble bat there. The water dances away, always just out of reach. Souso spins, she pounces. A tiny fluffy ninja against the liquid foe. The ultimate challenge. The mysterious metal knob. Can she turn it? Little paws try to grip, to twist. But alas, the dragon's power remains beyond her reach. A valiant effort, Souso. Mission complete. Maybe she didn't conquer the dragon, but she certainly had a magnificent adventure. A few wet whiskers, a happy shake, and a job well done for our curious cat.